School? Glad you asked. A little bit too much all at once? Well, let's go to the cat.
3, 2, 1, go!
Our code coaching program is the fun and interactive way to learn to code. With semi-private or private lessons, we're able to customize what we teach based on your kids' skills and interests. We have even expanded our program to the virtual world, which allows us to teach anybody in the country from the comfort and safety of their own home.
There's technology literally everywhere today. Do you know that smartphones didn't even become popular until 2013? That wasn't even that long ago, and now look at us. We can barely go 2 minutes without our phones. Think about what happened during our recent pandemic. What would we have done without technology? Who built Zoom? Who's managing Google? Who gave you the ability to even just connect to the internet from your home office? Coders, that's who.
I think it's a fun environment. It's bright, it's clean, it's fun. There are kids here having a great time. He's now coding in 2 different languages. He never coded before. He's interacting with other young coders as well as his one-on-one or one-on-two mentor.
I've seen some really cool, custom, unique apps being built at the CoderSchools. One of our students used a neural network to train an algorithm to be able to recognize red objects. Where else could you learn to code cool, custom, unique applications like that?
So you ready? Drop us a line and we'll get you a free trial lesson today.